Making a wig just got easier, and I'll show you how to do that. If you want to see how I made this wig using just Brazilian wool in less than 10 minutes, then make sure to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be spilling all the tea, everything that you need to know. It is so easy, it is quick and affordable. Less than $3 to achieve this. Without wasting much time, let's get started. The word for today is: for unto us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. And that's from Isaiah chapter 9, verse 6, the NIV version. Merry Christmas, everyone, and let's get started. Now, I'm using this Brazilian wool that I got for less than $2. I think it costs 500 naira or so in Nigeria. And I put out the measurement on the screen. Just know that you can measure it to the length that you want. If you want this longer, make it longer. If you want it shorter, make it shorter. Okay, it's just going to give you an afro kind of wig. Now you're going to brush it out. Make sure you brush it out thoroughly. You can do this in tiny sections so that it won't be too much for you to handle. Then I'm going to be using skewers. Okay, they're also called suya sticks or barbecue sticks, and I'm going to be wrapping it around just like how I'm doing in this video. So I tried to make this as slow as I could, but then because of time, I'm just going to fasten up the next slide. So all you're doing is you're rolling and twisting. You're twisting and rolling, rather. You twist first, then you roll. Okay, make sure that there is no space within it. Making it that way will make it look, have this Afro kinky curls. Okay, let it be very tight. If you give out space, it's going to be loose. If you make it tight, it's going to be tight. So this is an old clip from what I've done before, but I just thought to teach you guys before starting this tutorial. Next, you're going to be using any conditioner of your choice. You can use leave-in conditioner, you can whatever conditioner you have, regular conditioners. But make sure that you submerge it, like make sure it goes round, and then add your boiled water. Emphasis on boiled water. Don't just use any kind of water. It could be water from your dispenser, or it could be from a kettle or so. So that's why I want you to boil the water. Once you boil the water, you soak it in and then allow it to dry. I left this for like 2 days so that it could be fully dried. And then I'm using that wig cap. It's just like a mesh, but it's nice. I love it. It's very soft. It comes in two. It's a pair. So I'm going to be using one, and which I totally regret. I regret because I would have used the both of them. If I had used two, it would be stronger and it will make the wig last long. So you want to make sure to use the both of them and not one. There's a reason why it comes in two and not one. Okay, if you use one alone, it's going to be too light, and if you're not careful, it might get torn. Also, the crochet pin I'm using here is the big one, so make sure you use the smaller type of crochet if you cannot handle it, if you're new to doing something like this. For me, I'm not new to it, so I had to find a way to manage it. But for someone like you who will be trying it for the first time, there are different kinds of crochet pins, so make sure to get the smaller one. You see this bigger one that I'm going to be using in this video, and then you see smaller ones. Get the smaller ones. It will be easy for it to penetrate to this kind of cap, so that it does not tear. Okay, also you don't necessarily have to use this kind of cap. You can use the stronger type of cap, or you can use the other net type, the ones that has hole already. I tried to look for it in my location, but I couldn't find it, so I had to make do with this. So next time I'm going to be using double of this and not just one. The advantage of using this kind of cap also is because it has this band that would just fit into your head. Okay, and it doesn't elast quickly. Okay, it doesn't get elast quickly, so you can just use it for a long time before it becomes very weak. So what I'm doing is that I'm trying to crochet it into, this is not my first time of crocheting, but if this is yours, this is what I'm doing. Make sure you go in with the hook, grab the hair, close the latch, draw it out, and then use your hand to bring out the hair from the other end. Now you can also use your crochet pin to bring it out, but for me, I feel like this method is faster. And also note that there are different ways of crocheting. It doesn't have to be this my method. You can improvise, especially if you're used to crocheting already. People that use yarn to crochet, they will find this very easy. So I'm going around. I'm not, can you see the thick band that is around the cap? I'm not crocheting on it, I'm just crocheting above it, and there's a reason for that. I want the front to not be full. I want it to have some space. I don't want it to be a full afro wig. So this is what I'm doing. Just look at what I'm doing. I'm very sure you come around and then you understand it. It's quite easy. It's very, very easy. I'll try to slow this video a bit so that you can see what I'm doing. When you get to the front, make sure to fill in all the holes that you can see, especially at the middle, the crown of the head. Make sure to fill in all the holes so that there will be no holes. Now, this beautiful thing about this kind of wig is that eventually the hair will fill up those spaces. Okay, and now for someone that might be asking how many Brazilian balls did I use? I used just two, and honestly it was even too much. I think I even had some remaining that I had to dispose. I used just two, and if I had made the length shorter, trust me, it would be over enough. Okay, it would be over enough. And I also use the small Brazilian one, so there are different sizes. There's a big one and there's a small one. If I had used the big one, I'm very sure I'll just use only one. One will be enough for me to get what I want. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to cut out the excesses. It's going to be at the front, this front section. I don't want it to cover my eye, so I'm just going to cut it out and trim out all the unnecessary excesses. Just go round to your desire, to your own taste. If you want this longer, like I've said before, make it longer. If you want this fuller, then it means you have to feed in more hair. Okay, there are other extensions that you can use to achieve this. You don't have to use the Brazilian one. Brazilian wool is making your work easier because it is affordable. But if you can get other Afro extensions, Afro kinky extensions, they will serve the same purpose and they will even look better and nicer. If you can also get natural human hair, yeah, if you can get human hair, Afro kinky bulk, it will serve better and it will even last you for a long time. This is what the hair is looking like, and I love it. I didn't even anticipate that it will look this good until I wore it. I was so excited. I did use some leave-in conditioner on it, especially for the front to bring out the curls better. If you have mousse, you can use mousse. If you have hairspray, you can use hairspray. Anything to make your finishing great. This is what the hair is looking like. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to other girls, subscribe to the channel. Make sure this video goes to every girl out there who needs to see it. Merry Christmas, compliments of the season. Remember that I love you. Make sure to take care of yourself in this season. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.